Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about different types of funds of central government. The Constitution of India provides for three kinds of funds for central government. They are Consolidated Fund of India, Public Account of India and Contingency Fund of India. Let us discuss them one by one. First let us see Consolidated Fund of India. Article 266 provides for Consolidated Fund of India. It is a fund to which all the receipts are credited and all the payments are debited. Now let us see what all the funds go into Consolidated Fund of India. They are all the revenues received by the Government of India, all the loans raised by government by the issue of treasury bills, loans, ways and means advances, and finally all the money received by the government in the repayment of loans. The important point is no money out of this fund can be appropriated, that is issued or drawn, except in accordance with the parliamentary law. That is, parliamentary approval is compulsory for the usage of this money in the Consolidated Fund of India. Next, Contingency Fund of India. Article 267 of the Constitution of India provides for the Contingency Fund of India. This fund is placed at the disposal of President and he can make advances out of it to meet unforeseen expenditure pending its authorization by the Parliament. Also note that this fund is held by the Finance Secretary on behalf of President. Like Public Account of India, it is also operated by executive action. Now coming to the Public Account of India. Article 266 provides for the Public Account of India. All the public money other than those which are credited to Consolidated Fund of India shall be credited to Public Account of India. It includes Provident Fund deposits, judicial deposits, saving bank deposits, departmental deposits, remittances and so on. Also note that this account is operated by executive action. That is, payments from this account can be made without parliamentary appropriation. Such payments are mostly in the nature of banking transactions. Now let us discuss a question based on this. With reference to union government, consider the following statements. Statement number 1. Department of Revenue is responsible for preparation of union budget that is presented to the Parliament. This statement is false because the department responsible for preparation of budget is Department of Economic Affairs. Statement number 2. No amount can be withdrawn from Consolidated Fund of India without the authorization from Parliament of India. This is true. Statement number 3. All the disbursements made from public account also need the authorization of Parliament of India. This statement is false because this is operated by executive action and it does not require Parliament authorization. So the answer is C, 2 only. Thank you.